Well, with Jennifer taking care of all of our needs in furniture land, we are now going to talk all things bathroom with Jody from Bath Fitter. So great to have you on Military Makeover. You guys are doing not one, but two bathrooms for us, correct?
That is correct. We are doing a shower renovation in the master bathroom. And here in the hall bathroom, we are doing a tub and wall, which actually utilizes our unique tub over tub process that Bath Fitter created and has been doing for over 35 years.
I want to hear all about that because what makes you guys special, you guys are in and out in as little as a day because you're not doing a ton of demolition, right?
That is correct. We thrive on this fast-paced environment. Unlike a traditional remodeler, we're kind of an alternative, but we eliminate all the messy demolition. So the way the process works is we take very precise measurements of the tub and the wall. We take that information and we send it to our own manufacturing plant. They custom create this acrylic solution. It's high quality acrylic. The day of the installation, our installer comes out and preps all the surfaces, and they'll do any kind of repair that needs to be done. We then take the custom bath and we install it right over the existing bath, and we take a full sheet seamless wall and adhere it to the existing wall.
So what are we doing in the other bathroom? I guess it's a walk-in shower, right?
Yes, so we're doing something very similar to this bathroom. We are putting on a seamless wall, but instead of a bathtub, we're putting a shower pan.
Excellent. Well, I'll let you catch up with your workers in there, make sure everything's going according to plan. And I want to get an up-close and personal look in here. Jody, thank you,
Great, thank you
for being here. And guys, Jody absolutely nailed it. Completely seamless, beautiful shower door, looks clean, looks fresh, brand new for our Clarke family. As soon as they come home, they're gonna love this bathroom. And speaking of the Clarke family, when we come back, Montel's conversation with them continues.